Hello everyone. So today we will do some very basic yoga poses, asanas for category 3. So you can easily take part in the yoga challenge, September yoga challenge. So stand tall, keep your feet hip width apart and relax. Take a few inhales and exhales. Join your palm, inhale and exhale. Now with inhalation, take your arms all the way up in this position and exhale and bring them to the heart center. We'll do this for 5 times. So again inhale and take them all the way up and exhale and come down. Now again inhale and up, exhale and down. Now this is the warm-up section. Inhale up, exhale and down. Inhale up, exhale and down. Inhale last time and exhale down. Keep smiling. Now next what we have is neck and shoulder stretches. So this stretches and rotations, you can do this in sitting position as well if you are not able to stand in a easy or comfortable way. So for neck stretches, take your right hand, hold your neck from the other side and give a good stretch and stay there for 5 breaths. Then do not force or do not push your head too much. Just hold and keep breathing. Now with the other hand, on the other side, left side, your neck will go. Inhale and exhale for 5 times. Now from the back to the front, put your hands on the back side of your head. Stretch it towards the front slowly. Do not bend or do not push your upper or lower body. It's just your head which is getting stretched, your neck which is getting stretched. 5 breaths here. Then for the front, take your hands in this position with the help of your thumb. Push your chin to the back, so it will be the stretch for your front side of the neck or head. Come back, take a breath or two. We will do shoulder stretch. Take your arms in the front, lock your hand with the other arm in this position. Stay here for 5 breaths. Keep breathing. Exhale and release. Inhale and take other arm and stay here for 5 breaths again. When you are done, you can exhale and release. We will do some neck rotations. So if people suffering from vertigo, please avoid these neck rotations. And also if you feel dizzy after while doing it, please stop it there. You can do this while sitting. We'll do half rotation first. Inhale and half back. Exhale and return from the same side. Inhale and other half to the back. Exhale and return to the front. If you are comfortable, do this 5 times. Then full rotation, inhale and exhale to the front. Other side I'll show you. Inhale and exhale to the front. Do this 5 times each one. Now shoulder rotations. Put your fingers on the shoulder and rotate. Inhale and exhale. Other side, inhale and exhale for 5 times. So all these you can do in sitting position as well. We will do some hip rotations. So when you are bending forward, you are exhaling. When you are going backward, you are inhaling. Start, inhale, rotate, take back, exhale, front, inhale, exhale. Do this for 5 times on one side. Then we will be doing 5 times on the other side. So this is about the warm-up. Keep inhaling and exhaling. You can pause the video and do all the warm-ups up to here. Then we will do some side stretches or the twists. This is Kati Chakrasana we'll be doing. Keep your feet hip width apart, your palms in front of your chest, one over the above. Now with the inhalation, we will turn towards our right side slowly as much as we can. Do not lift your right leg. You can lift your left leg to support and go as much as back as you can. Now with an exhalation, come to the center. Now on the other side, same way, inhale and go back. Exhale and come front. Do this for 5 times on each side. Inhale back. Exhale front. Inhale on the other side. Exhale to the front. So this will be done 5 times on both the sides, that is 10 times total. Next we have is Triyak Tadasana, where you can keep your feet hip width apart. Now with an inhalation you can do with single arm also and you can do with both arms also. So with single arm we will see first. Keep your spine straight. Then lift your right hand up with an inhalation slowly and bend towards the other side. So go as much as only your upper body allows. Do not push your hips to the side, only upper body should be bent. So exhale and inhale down. Inhale, other arm up. Exhale and bend. Inhale and come up. Exhale and hands down. Do this for 5 times on each side by pausing the video. Make sure you are not leaning forward or backward in this one. Inhale, other arm up. Exhale, bend. Inhale, up. Exhale and release. So with the both arms, how you will do this? Interlock your fingers. Take your arms above your head in line with the ears. Inhale and take them up. Exhale and bend towards one side. Inhale, come back up. Exhale. Inhale, while exhalation you have to bend and while inhalation you have to come down. So only exhalations will be there on bending the sidewise. Exhale and release. Now take a few deep breaths here. Aaram se get comfortable. Come into a sitting position, Sukhasana, that is simple cross-legged position. You can also choose to sit in a Ardha Padmasana or Padmasana if you are regularly practicing. So whichever is comfortable, please opt that position to sit. Relax. Put your arms in Chin Mudra, that is tip of the index finger touching the thumb, tip of the thumb. Your whole upper body in straight line. Just close your eyes for a few moments. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Relax your mind for some time here. Inhale and exhale deeply. Now to come out of Sukhasana, just hold your legs, release them easily and come to all fours. That is, we will be doing Marjari Asana, that is cat and cow pose. So for this, measure your forearm length with your knees and come to both the knees and both the palms, where your shoulder and wrist in one line, your knee and hip in one line. So stay here. Now with an inhalation, cow pose, come push your chest down, look up, and with an exhalation, lift your chest up Curve the back and look down, that is cat. We'll do this for 5 times. Inhale and push your chest to the ground, look up. Exhale and push it upwards, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale and look up. Exhale and look down. Curve your back here. We'll do this 5 times easily. Then exhale and release, and you can sit in Vajrasana for a few breaths. Then we'll move towards child's pose, where you can choose to keep your knees together, or you can push them away from each other, and you can try sitting on your heels. If it is not possible, you can always keep a pillow or blanket under your calf muscles and thighs. Then start walking forward. Go as much as you can, no need to push towards ground initially. You can choose a block or a blanket to keep under your head and relax in this position. Now another form of child's pose is you can go down, put down your head and release your hands back as shown here. Breathe here for 5 seconds. Also you can do this and extend your arms to the front and relax here for 5 breaths. So you can choose to keep a blanket or pillow under your hips or under your calf muscles and between the thigh muscles to make it little bit easier. Now walk back, exhale and come to the sitting position. Now we will be doing a few asanas with the help of chair, that is some stretches and bends. Now sit straight on a chair. You can hold one side of the chair and inhale and lift other hand up and bend towards the other side with an exhalation. Keep your body straight in this position, bend in this position. Exhale and come down. Inhale, lift other hand up. Exhale, bend towards the side. Breathe here for a few seconds. Inhale and exhale. Do this for 5 times at your own pace. Now we'll take one leg up and push it towards your chest. Hold it from the shin bone. Exhale and bring up. Inhale and release. Exhale up. Inhale, release. Exhale and push it towards your chest. Inhale and release. Do this for 5 times on each leg. Once you are done, come back and you can choose to give this stretch to yourself if you are comfortable. Otherwise you can skip this one. Stay at a distance apart from your chair. Bend forward. Hold your chair and give a good stretch to your back and arms and shoulder. So keep breathing here normally and stay here in this position for a few breaths. To release, bend your knees or exhale and release. Now for next we have a few lying down asana. That is, first we will do is single leg Pavan Muktasana. So lie down on your back comfortably, straighten your legs and start to bend your knees here. If you are not comfortable, you can bend other leg as well and hold your knee or hold your leg with the help of hands at your shin bone, and do this very slowly. Pavan Muktasan, exhale and bring it to the chest and hold there for 30 seconds. Do not do this dynamically as I am doing here. You can keep it for 30 seconds with one leg and then exhale and release again. You can choose to keep your other knee bent in Pavan Muktasan. Now we will be doing Jatar Parivartanasana after this. So keep your arms in line with your shoulder on both the sides. I don't have a space on the other side. Bend your knees with an inhalation. Then with an exhalation, twist your knees towards your right side, towards your right elbow, and look on the other side. Stay here for a few breaths. You can take 5 to 7 breaths here and give a good twist to your body. Inhale and come to the center. Then exhale and twist to the other side. Look in the opposite direction. Try to touch both your shoulders on the ground in this. Exhale, center and release. Now you can do Shavasana for 5 minutes. Just loosen your toes, feet mat width apart, arms away from body, naturally curled. Close your eyes. Stay here for 5 minutes. You can pause the video and you can easily analyze your body, all your parts which you have given the good twists, bends and everything. Pause it and again come back after 5 minutes to finish the Shavasana. Just wriggle your toes to come out of the Shavasana. Bend your knees. Stretch your arms over your head. Bend your knees now and then turn towards your right side, making the pillow of your right arm. Take a moment there with your own capacity and speed. With the help of other hand support, come up to the sitting position. You can breathe in and out, and you can choose to do 3 Omkars here with deep chanting of Om, and gently you can finish it with rubbing your arms, generating some heat, cupping them to the eyes, all over your body, and Namaste. Thank you.